The OnePlus 15 is not arriving quietly. It's being teased, leaked, and showcased everywhere, signaling a major shift in design and performance for the brand's next flagship. At Qualcomm's China Summit, a OnePlus representative gave the world its first official glimpse of the device, confirming both its look and its power. Gone is the signature circular camera housing that defined the OnePlus 13. Instead, the 15 carries a larger, square-shaped module reminiscent of the OnePlus 13T and Google's Pixel Fold lineup. This change has already divided opinion, with some calling it more conventional, while others argue it strips away the unique aesthetic OnePlus once had. What we do know for sure is that performance won't be lacking. The OnePlus 15 will ship with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in China, a chipset announced earlier than usual this year, which has pushed Android manufacturers like OnePlus to accelerate their flagship timelines. In addition, OnePlus confirmed through Weibo that another variant powered by the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 non-Elite will also make its way to market. On the display side, the company revealed an upgrade to a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate, though leaks suggest this might come paired with a downgraded 1.5K AMOLED resolution, a trade-off that has already sparked debate among fans. Beyond the Qualcomm stage, OnePlus has taken the OnePlus 15 straight into the spotlight at cultural and esports events. At the Peace Elite League Summer Finals in China, the phone was deliberately placed in the hands of players for a not-so-subtle teaser, with Weibo captions asking fans to guess what they're looking at. Additional photos from OnePlus Club on X and official PEL promotions showcase the device in striking white and pink finishes, complementing the black model revealed at Qualcomm's event. This broader palette hints that OnePlus is betting heavily on aesthetics this year, pushing bold color choices along with the new camera layout. Leaker Digital Chat Station has added more fuel to the fire, revealing that the OnePlus 15 will feature a ceramic-coated frame with a matte texture. According to him, this coating is claimed to be 4 times stronger than titanium, a bold statement that raises expectations for durability. Despite this toughness, the phone reportedly remains impressively thin at just 8.8 millimeters, even slimmer than iPhone 17 Pro Max. Combined with the ceramic build, this positions the device as a premium piece of hardware aimed at both performance seekers and design-conscious users. According to multiple leaks, the OnePlus 15 is expected to debut in October for the Chinese market, with a global release to follow before the end of 2025. Pricing has yet to be officially confirmed, but expectations suggest it will land in the same premium flagship bracket as its predecessors, making it one of the most closely watched Android releases of the year.